animal of which country? A. Egypt, B. Cuba, C. Australia. Correct answer is B. Cuba. When was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? A. The 26th of January 1948, B. The 30th of January 1948, C. The 15th of August 1947. Correct answer is B. 30 January 1948. Where was Gautam Buddha born? A. Gaya, B. Lumbini, C. Sarnath. Correct answer is B. Lumbini. What was the childhood name of Rani Lakshmibai? A. Jhalkari Bai, B. Manikarnika, C. Rani Lakshmi. Correct answer is B. Manikarnika. In which Indian state is drug use considered a crime? A. Punjab, B. Gujarat, C. Goa. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. In which year did railways start in India? A. 1853, B. 1900, C. 1947. Correct answer is A. 1853. In which state is Noida located? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Delhi. Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state produces the highest amount of bananas? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Gujarat state? A. Surat, B. Ahmedabad, C. Gandhinagar. Correct answer is C. Gandhinagar. Which country has the highest number of police personnel in the world? A. India, B. USA, C. China. Correct answer is C. China. Which is the richest state in India? A. Delhi, B. Maharashtra, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. When was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan? A. August 6, 1945, B. January 26, 1942, C. August 15, 1947. Correct answer is A. August 6, 1945. Which is the largest country in the world? A. China, B. USA, C. Russia. Correct answer is C. Russia. After how many years is the census conducted in India? A. 5 years, B. 10 years, C. 15 years. Correct answer is B. 10 years. Which is the largest cumin producing state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. Which state in India has the highest water consumption? A. Punjab, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Punjab. How many liters of water can an elephant hold in its trunk? A. 5 liters, B. 10 liters, C. 12 liters. Correct answer is C. 12 liters. Which city is known as the city of Taj? A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Agra. Correct answer is C. Agra. What was the real name of Ravan? A. Dashagriva, B. Ratnakar, C. Lankadhipati. Correct answer is A. Dashagriva. Which is the poorest state in India? A. Jharkhand, B. Bihar, C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Bihar. Where is the black rooster found? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Chhattisgarh.